My friends, it's Coach Vigue. Thanks for clicking on this video. Today we're going to do a huge, life-changing mobility workout. Take the whole body, youthen it, strengthen it, make it more flexible, make it more mobile, make it better in every conceivable way. Does that sound good? All right, click that like button and let's begin. Downward facing dog. Stretch it back, modify as needed. Always use control, keep it loose, keep it enjoyable. Let's walk the legs. Bring a knee across if you like. I'm a little stuffy this week. I think it's the allergies from the move to Tennessee. There's a mosquito too. I got him. Walk it out. Open the hands wide. Let's flush out the entire body. I just turned 50. I want to feel 25. That's my motto. That's my goal, feeling 25. All right, bend the knees. Down dog squat. Inhale, exhale, bring it forward. Stretch out the legs, back and forth. Stretch the glutes. Activate the toes, the ankles. And of course, coming into this plank position ain't bad either. Getting the core engaged. 3 more times. You want to be very light in your movements. Glide. 1 more time. Come forward. Hands are on the shoulders. Press forward further and lower down. All the way down to the mat. Take the hands out. Bend the right leg. Let me choose where I put my hand here. And then scorpion. That's just bugs. Back and forth. Scorpion. Stretch it. Twist it. Rotate it. Give me about 10 minutes a day, my friends. And I will show you the world. Feeling younger, more flexible, stronger, more mobile. Get off your phone and get down here and do this with me right now. Twist. Let's do it 1 more time each side. Whew, taking a risk there, but it's worth it, darn it. All right, upward facing dog. Uh-oh, shirt tuck. There we go. Tuck in that shirt. Hands are on the shoulders. Lift, drop the shoulders back. Spider web right there. Little shimmy here. Does wonders for your upper and middle back and shoulders. All right, tuck the toes, downward facing dog. Bring the legs together, feet together. Let's sway side to side. Pendulum, really press into the palms. Man, that's gonna itch later, whatever I did there. Stretch the sides, lengthen the sides. Excellent. Side to side. 1 more time each direction. Here we go. 1 and 1. Right leg up, bend the knee, bring it forward, pigeon pose, hands down. And let's lift it up with the inhale. Exhale, hands down. Slide forward or bring the hands down. Again, lift up, arch in the back, open the chest, and then lengthen. Rocking side to side. 2 more times. Oh, nice balance, working the core, stretch. And 1 more time. Lace the fingers if you like. Mudra, forward. That's the good stuff right there. Let's switch sides. Step back to down dog. Left leg comes up. Bend the knee and forward. Man, I gotta tuck in that shirt. What was I thinking? All right, 4 times. Lift and stretch. It is human. Let that heat up the muscles, make them more pliable, more fluid. Again, up and stretch. 1 more time, lace the fingers if you like. Aha. And then stretch, stretch, stretch. Step back to down dog, squat. Press forward. Get off my foot, lower down. Arms forward and pull back. Little rows. Inhale, Exhale. Wonders for your back, for the length of your body, for control. 3 more. Last one. Lace the fingers behind you. Open up into a mudra cobra. All right, hands down, downward facing dog. Walk it out. Woo, sun popped out. What is happening? Keep walking. Rotating, wringing out the sides. All right, right foot forward, take it out a little bit, lunge. We're working on this one a lot lately. Hold on a second, let me switch the cap. There we go, get the sun out of the eyes. So we're gonna add a twist here. Bring this arm up. Now if you like, extend this leg all the way up, back and forth. You get this left hand into it also, you could dip the hip down. Really stretches the outside of that right leg. Pure mobility, the ability to move freely throughout your day. And one more time, stretch it up. Now hands down, we have a pyramid to lunge, back and forth. Inhale forward, lift the chest open. Exhale, stretch. Try to get both those heels down. It'll come. Practice daily. 3 more. Love this stretch. Love that joker. All right, step back. Down dog squat. Take a big stretch here. Are you ready? Left foot forward, and we have the twist with the optional lengthening of the leg. Do as many as you like. Practice daily. Do it multiple times throughout the day. It's a great warm-up. It's a great workout. It's a great post-workout. Fit it in. Oh, that's so nice. One more time. Reach for the sky. Now pyramid to lunge. Nice transition, back and forth. Let me find some even ground here. There we go. Feels good, doesn't it? It's a very different way of training. If it's new to you, it's body weight. It's flowing your body through a lot of different angles and spaces, positions, to keep unlocking it. So you work your body as a whole. One more time. What kind of bug is that? All right, step back, down dog squat. I am itchy, that's good. Mobility makes me itch. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Now explode forward. Lower down. Once again, reach back, lace the fingers open. If you want, bend the legs 90 degrees. Oh, adjustment in the spine. 3 breaths. As you inhale, lift higher. As you exhale, lengthen. Shoulder mobility, chest mobility. Hands down. What am I? Oh yes, downward facing dog. Take that left foot forward. Let's face each other. Low lunge. When you're ready. Hi. Back and forth. Make it yours. Open this hip, open the other hip. Stretch out this long leg here, hamstring. You can flex it if you like. Such a fantastic flow, side lunges, back and forth. As you get more proficient, hands off the mat, hands together. Inhale, exhale. A lot of power being harnessed here to lift you off the mat from your glutes and core, keeping your posture tall, so shoulders back. Try to avoid this. I know I do that for dramatic effect sometime. That's the actor in me, but tall posture. One more time each side. I just spoke to a group fitness instructor, or the group fitness manager at the gym I'm going to here to here in Tennessee, and I made sure I stood up nice and tall when I talked to her. She stood up very tall. She had a very good handshake. I like that. But everywhere, here we are. All right, now spin it around, down dog. Inhale forward, all the way down to the mat, cobra or up dog. Lift it up. How does that back feel? All right, shimmy if you like. Dragonfly. I get caught doing this all the time. It feels so good. Dropping the shoulders back, adding rotation. All right, down dog. And squat. Hold it for 5 breaths. Stretch it out. Feel the quads working. Nice decline all the way down the body. Trying to get that mosquito. All right, lengthen the legs. Work those heels down. Take the hands further forward. Long down dog. Add a ripple to this. So as you inhale, you come forward just a little bit. Exhale, smush it back. This is gonna open up a secret door to how this really feels. Hello, Ant. Just crossing the street. Sorry, buddy. All right, inhale. Smush those heels down. You better believe it, my friends. You want to move well. You want to move young, strong, vital. One more breath. Okay. Knees come down. Seated cross-legged position. Hi, there you are. I am a wet mess. Sunscreen and weird. Got a weird, oh, I got bit. That's what it bit 3 times right there. Did it for you. Coach V, he likes to get bit for me. Inhale, take the arms up. Side bend. Mobility anywhere, anytime. That's what I do. Power yoga, Pilates, yoga, flexibility training, all that stuff. I just turned 50, but any age benefits greatly, greatly, greatly from these movements. So give me just about 10 minutes of your day and get down and do this with me. You will not regret it. Take the arms up, cactus arms open. Shoulders sliding down the back, feeling nice and sweaty and strong and focused. One more time. Chest is open. It's such an amazing feeling. I cannot adequately explain it to you. You have to do it. That release. All right, arms up, palms together, bring them down. And that's it, my friends. Coach Vigue, thanks for training with me. It's always an obscene pleasure. If this helped, please smash that red subscribe button, click the like button, and press that little bell up there, the notification bell. It not only makes me itch my foot, oh, thanks. But it lets you know when I upload new content, new videos. Share it on. And as always, keep on moving, keep on drinking water, keep on breathing. Keep on, whatever. My friends, if you want the extended version of that workout, plus access to hundreds of exclusive workouts not found on my YouTube channel, you need to try the Sean Vigue Fitness app free for 7 days. Cancel anytime. Click the first link in the comment section below, try it for 7 days, and I guarantee you will be hooked.